Hey guys, it's Cindy from My Style Spot. I'm sure many of you have had that dreaded feeling where you realize your iPhone is missing. Oh my gosh, what happened? Has it been misplaced? Has it been stolen? Oh, I totally get that total freak out moment. The truth is, 1 in 4 devices are lost or stolen. That's crazy. And you know what else is even crazier? To not insure your iPhone. I understand Apple Care and carrier insurance can be expensive. In fact, I've never used it because of that reason. But that is all changing today because InsureApple is an awesome insurance company that will insure your iPhone for much, much cheaper. In fact, on average, 40% lower in price. So be sure to check them out. An amazing, amazing insurance company that's going to cover your iPhone. And they will actually insure used devices as well too. So if you have an older iPhone, no problem. All iPhones are covered and you can select monthly or yearly payment plans, whatever's going to best suit your needs. And InsureApple also has some of the lowest deductibles too. In fact, it's only $50 for repairs, and they have their own repair facilities, so you can send them off, and they have quality certified technicians that are going to do a great job to make sure your phone is working, and they're going to get it shipped right back to you really quickly. So really, really great. InsureApple has been in the business for over 10 years, so you know you're getting quality. They're a leading provider in device coverage, and amazing. They're super fast, amazing customer service as well. So be sure to check them out today. You can find them at InsureAppleIPhone.com and use my code MyStyleSpot and get 10% off. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.